You are feeling cold and you are telling someone, I'm feeling cold. How do you say that in Igbo? We are learning it now. Cold means oyi, oyi. Hot, ọkụ, ọkụ. Ọkụ can also be fire, alright? Depending on the angle you are coming from. Ọkụ can also be referred as light. That is the electric light, alright? Ọkụ. So, the one we are talking about now is the hotness. Good. Ọkụ means hot. Now, I'm feeling cold means oyi na-atụ m. Oyi na-atụ m. Can you say oyi na-atụ m? Excellent. Mmiri ọkụ means hot water. Mmiri ọkụ. Mmiri oyi, cold water. Mmiri oyi. Now, what is bring hot water? Put that in comment section. See you soon.